Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing Gambas Al Ajillo. It's easy to cook, simple to prepare, and really good to eat. So the most important part is shrimps, extra virgin olive oil, of course some garlic, chili, pimiento, and slice of bread. What I'll do now, we'll prepare first yung shrimps natin, okay? So when you prepare your shrimps, do not throw the head kasi ito, you can use this for your stock. No? You can keep this and make it as your stock. And then just take out the shell. The best is to leave a portion of that shell, no? Dun sa tail. Once you have it like this, i-devein lang natin yan there. Take out the intestine. You won't take it out, especially in a dish like this, because that will leave a bitter taste. No? This is what you want to take out. Tak. Okay, next that, we'll heat up our skillet. Let me just wash my hands first. Okay. Toast na natin itong bread natin. I want it na manipis lang. Manipis na yung toast para it's crunchy. There. Okay. Then we'll drizzle this with Doña Elena, extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. And then we will toast this. Okay. So we'll heat up our skillets. Medyo malakas yung wind today. I want it to heat up. No? Let's toast our bread. And then put this on the side. Ayan. Okay. Let it toast. Okay. Always clean your board. Yeah. Next up, our garlic. Yung garlic gusto mo na just slice it thinly. To achieve that, mas maganda kung meron kang very sharp knife, no? Okay. That should be enough. Put it on the side. So while we're toasting our bread, let's prepare our skillet. Bigyan natin ng Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Put in lots of oil. There you go. Nice. In the meantime, tanaw natin itong wow, toasted bread. See? Beautiful. Nice. Good. Beautiful. Let's drop in our garlic. So once mag-start mag-color yung garlic natin, we'll drop in our shrimps. It's best to put it in a very hot skillet. Bilis na maluto. We're doing this para mag-infuse yung garlic sa olive oil so that you'll really taste the garlic once it's served to you. Okay. At this point, we'll drop in our shrimps. No? Nice. Beautiful. There you go. It's deveined, it's clean, and it's so fresh. So our toast is done. Good. Good. So with the shrimps almost done, getting cazuela, this is where we're going to serve our gambas. So what you do is heat it up, dyan lang siya, para mamaya pag naluto na, we're going to transfer it here and present it there. Good. Ganda. See the color? Orange pink color, oh. Beautiful. Then at this point, ito natin siya lalagyan ng pimiento. Just a little pimiento to give it a little earthy flavor. Beautiful. Okay, and then just a little salt. Okay. Oh, nice. So in about a minute, it should be done. Ganun lang siya kabilis. And before it's cooked, we'll drop in our chili. Ooh, there you go. If you want it a little more spicy, what you do is just cut it in half like that para lumabas yung flavor niya. Ang anghang nandyan. And then just shake it a little in your hot oil. Just like that. And this is going to be very spicy. Good. I like it spicy. Alright. Okay, and then we'll just put in just a little sherry. Just a touch, just there. And just to give it a little acidity. Yeah, good. Humot kayo eh. You can really smell, oh. The goodness of gambas. Wow. Okay. On a very hot skillet, mabilis na ito maluto. Okay. Ooh, yung jet ski, oh. Sarap, oh. Okay, so our cazuela is hot. Let's turn it off. And then just let me get it. Remember, the cazuela is very hot, no? We'll put it here. And then the shrimps. Okay. There you go. Chili. Lagyan natin lahat dito. Move it here. Okay. Ooh, beautiful. And then you serve it. Put the toast on the side. 2 pieces of toast. And there you go. Now this is how they serve it in Spain. Gambas Al Ajillo. Let's try it out. Okay. Let's put the gambas on top. So beautiful it is, oh. Then let's sarap to pag ano. Ayan naman mga garlic sa ibabaw. Take a look at that. Woo! Init! It's good, it's spicy. The freshness of the shrimps. Tamis. Garlic, the olive oil, sarap. So, what you can also do, so you wanna entail, no? Get a piece of that bread and then dip it here. And it's oil, just like that. Oh. Init. Init. Masarap. Very good. One more. Oh wow. Oh wow. Gambas Al Ajillo. It's easy to make, it's quick, it's fast, and it's super good. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Doña Elena, olive oil. Thank you again for joining me here. It's a beautiful day, no? So please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press on the notification bell on my YouTube page so that you know when we have a new video coming up, okay? Give me your comments and then give me suggestions on what you want me to cook for you, okay? So here you go. I'm Richard Gomez, right here in Goma at home. Bye guys, see you. Let me just finish this.